Welcome to Brain Booster. Have you ever heard about the lost city that turns pink at sunset? This is the story of Petra, an ancient city that carries the weight of centuries on its stone shoulders. Often referred to as the Lost City, Petra's founding date remains shrouded in mystery. However, it started to flourish around the 1st century BC, its prosperity extending until an unforgiving earthquake in the 4th century left it in ruins. For over 5 centuries, Petra lay forgotten, its grandeur concealed under the veil of time. But as fate would have it, in the early 19th century, a Swiss explorer named Johannes Burckhardt stumbled upon this hidden gem. His rediscovery brought Petra back from oblivion, casting a spotlight on its majestic past. And thus, the city that was lost to time was found, revealing its secrets to the world. But why is Petra known as the Rose City, you might ask? Well, let's unravel this petal by petal. The name speaks to the unique characteristic of the city's architecture. You see, Petra isn't built, it's carved. Carved from the very mountains that surround it, the city is a testament to the ingenuity of its ancient inhabitants. But what makes Petra truly special is the material of its creation: sandstone. Now picture this. As the sun rises and sets, the city undergoes a beautiful transformation. The sandstone from which the city is carved takes on an enchanting red-pink hue, painting a picture that's a feast for the eyes. It's as if the city blushes at the touch of the sun's first and last light, earning it the title of the Rose City. So there you have it, a city etched in stone, blushing at the touch of the sun's first and last light. Petra is not just a city, it's a time capsule, preserving the past in its rocks. This magnificent city, believed to be one of the oldest in the world, was established in 321 BC as the capital of the Nabatean Empire. This empire, rich in history and culture, chose its capital wisely. Nestled within the rocks, Petra became a strategic stronghold and a center of trade and commerce. The city's name, Petra, is derived from Petros, a Greek word meaning rocks. This name is fitting, as Petra is a city literally carved out of sandstone cliffs. Its rock-cut architecture is a testament to the ingenuity and artistic prowess of the Nabateans. The intricate carvings and monumental structures they left behind continue to intrigue scholars and tourists alike. Petra's historical and cultural significance has not gone unnoticed. In 1985, it was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, also known as UNESCO, referred to Petra as one of the most precious cultural properties of man's cultural heritage. This recognition underscores the global importance of preserving Petra's unique blend of history, architecture and art. In 2007, Petra received another significant accolade. It was added to the list of the new 7 wonders of the world. This list, which also includes iconic landmarks such as the Great Wall of China, the Statue of Christ Redeemer, the Colosseum, Machu Picchu, Taj Mahal, and Chichen Itza, celebrates the world's shared cultural heritage. Petra's inclusion in this esteemed group is a testament to its enduring allure. Despite the passing of centuries and the ravages of time, Petra continues to captivate with its timeless beauty. Its rock-cut structures, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun, are a sight to behold. Petra, a testament to man's ability to create beauty that withstands the test of time. As we delve deeper into the treasures of Petra in the next scene, let us remember the enduring legacy of the Nabateans, etched forever in the rocks of this ancient city. Beyond its beauty, Petra is a city of mysteries and hidden treasures. Among its many marvels, the treasury, or Alcazne, stands out. This iconic structure, intricately carved into a deep rock face, is not just a testament to the exquisite craftsmanship of the Nabateans, but also a symbol of their beliefs. Despite its name, the treasury was not a storehouse for material wealth. Instead, it was a mausoleum and crypt, adorned with symbols of the afterlife, a place to honor the Nabatean king Aretas IV. Yet, the treasury is just one of Petra's many treasures. The city is a vast necropolis, housing over 1,000 tombs. This makes Petra one of the largest royal tomb complexes in the world. The Nabateans believed in the afterlife and took great care in preparing for it, creating some of the most stunning burial places in the world. The Royal Tombs, a collection of 4 monumental tombs including the Urn Tomb, the Silk Tomb, the Corinthian Tomb, and the Palace Tomb, bear witness to this. Despite the ravages of time and the elements, these first-century edifices continue to be magnificent works of art. Yet, for all its known wonders, much of Petra remains a mystery. In 2016, archaeologists discovered an unknown structure outside the city's main area. This massive edifice, with its grand staircase, dates back to around 150 BC and has no known relationship with the city center. This discovery hints at the untold stories and hidden treasures still waiting to be uncovered in Petra. In fact, it's believed that we've only scratched the surface of what Petra has to offer. Only about 15% of the city has been excavated so far. The remaining 85% lies underground, waiting for the day when it can reveal its secrets to the world. Petra, a city that guards its secrets well, still has more to reveal. Petra's beauty is not only appreciated by historians and archaeologists, but also by Hollywood. Its timeless appeal made its grand Hollywood debut in the iconic film Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. The striking, carved cityscape provided the perfect backdrop for the adventures of the intrepid archaeologist played by Harrison Ford. But Petra's star turn didn't end there. The ancient city has since graced the silver screen in other cinematic ventures, including The Mummy Returns, continuing to enchant viewers with its unique allure. Beyond the world of film, Petra remains a living city. The Bedouin tribe, Badul, continues to inhabit and work within its stone walls, preserving the traditions of their ancestors. Their enduring presence adds another layer to Petra's vibrant tapestry of history and culture. Petra, a city etched in stone and in the hearts of those who've seen its beauty, continues to captivate the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.